Techno Industrial Products offers AT7045 and AT7042 pneumatic die grinders. AT7045 is angle die grinder and AT7042 is straight die grinder with colic size of 3 millimeters and 6 millimeters. These die grinders are operated by air pressure and help you to grind very easily and reduce your mechanical work, which makes them your excellent partners in day-to-day industry jobs, workshops, and many other DIY activities. Spares of these are also available to repair them. These die grinders need bits to be inserted in their colic, as seen in the video, and you can use many different types of bits according to your requirement. Now, we are seeing working of these die grinders. Just attach compressed air to them, and they are happy to serve you. Robust design and unmatchable quality to make your work easy. Thanks for watching.